going to be sharing with you a short chair yoga sequence. I know we're all trapped at home and probably spending lots of time sitting in front of our computers, which can start to make our back feel kind of stiff and tight and hurt. Our shoulders get tight. Our whole upper body just starts to feel yucky. So I just wanted to share with you this morning some quick yoga postures that you can do right in front of your computer or sitting down that will help to alleviate stress in your neck, shoulders, upper back, and even your hips and legs. So let's get started. So you just want to sit on the edge of your chair, right on the edge of your chair here. Bring the soles of the feet onto the floor so the ankles are right underneath the knees. Your knees are pointing forward, so your feet are hip width apart. Knees pointing forward, shoulders right over the hips. So you're sitting up nice and tall. There's a 90-degree angle between your thighs and your upper body. So just want to sit nice and tall, press the feet into the floor, pull the belly buttons in, relax the shoulders, bring the chin so that it's parallel to the floor. And just start by taking a few deep breaths right here into the belly, into the upper chest. Just inhale and deep exhale, letting the upper back fully relax, the shoulders relax. So 2 more just like that. Deep inhale and exhale, letting all the stress leave the body as you exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Okay, bringing the hands down by your side. We're going to inhale them all the way up so they're parallel. Bring the right hand down to the side, and you can hold on to the side of the chair. We're going to do a side bend here. Keep the knees pointing forward. Inhale, sit up tall, pull the belly in, and then side bend over to the right. Staying here for a few breaths. Breathing, reaching that top arm up and over. So the tendency here is to have the left shoulder come down. We want to think about keeping that left shoulder back in line with the rest of the body. Inhale, 1 more breath, maybe reach a little farther. And then inhale up, exhale down. So you probably already feel a big difference in both sides. So we're going to do the other side. Right arm comes up, holding onto the chair with the other hand. Get nice and tall on your inhale, push into the feet, pull the belly in, and side bend over to the left. Again, keep pulling that right shoulder back. Maybe you want to look up underneath the hand. Maybe you want to walk that left hand down more, or just keep it where it is. Let's take 2 more breaths, really reaching maybe a little further. Pull the belly in. Pulling the right shoulder back. 1 more breath, reach a little further. And inhale up and coming down. So those really stretch all the muscles in the side body, all those little muscles in between the ribs, the intercostal muscles. Okay, so we're going to do some twists now. So inhaling the arms straight up again. We're going to twist to the right. So turning to the right hand comes behind you, holds onto the chair. The left hand comes on the outside of the left thigh. So sit up tall, inhale, exhale, twisting from the base of the spine, looking over that right shoulder. So as you inhale, think of creating space between the vertebrae. As you exhale, you twist a little further. Inhale, get long and tall. Exhale, twisting, pull the belly button in. When you've reached your maximum, just stay there for another breath. On your next inhale, come back to center, bringing both hands straight up. Inhale, get tall, and we're going to go to the left now. So right hand comes on the outside of the left leg, the left hand back behind you, holding onto the chair. So inhale, get tall. Exhale, twisting from the base of the spine. The head follows the rest of the body. Inhale, twisting from the base of the spine, then the shoulders, then the head. Inhale, get tall. Exhale, twist. When you reach your maximum, one more breath. Inhale, coming back to center, unwinding. Exhale, hands come down. All right, bringing the hands onto the thighs. Let's just roll our shoulders back and down. So we inhale the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale them back and down. Inhaling them all the way up to the ears. Exhaling back and down. Inhaling them up, back and down. Great for the shoulders. Inhaling them up, back and down. Now we're going to reverse it. So inhale, shoulders up, forward and down. Inhale up, forward and down. Two more up. Take the shoulders forward and down. One more up, forward and down. Good. All right, moving up the body to the neck. We're going to imagine we have a crayon on the end of the nose, and we're going to circle the head to the right. So drawing a circle with the crayon to the right. So just moving the head to the right, breathing, taking it easy, nice and slow. And then changing direction, circling the other way. So drawing a circle with the nose, loosening up all those muscles in the neck. Good. One more. Coming to center. Okay. So let's do one stretch for the hips. Because when we spend a lot of time seated, our hip flexors can get really tight. So we're going to cross the left ankle over the right knee and have the left knee move into the floor. So for some of us, this is plenty. I feel this already in the outer part of my left thigh. So you want to just sit up nice and tall, maybe flexing the left foot, pulling the belly in. You can use your hand and just gently push that knee to the floor. If you're not feeling anything or you want to go a little deeper, we're going to hinge forward. So inhale, lift the chest, hinging forward. Think of bringing the chest to the floor or your stomach to your shin. Staying here for a breath. Maybe you start to feel something in the hips. And then inhale, coming back up and changing sides. So crossing the right ankle over the left knee. Again, sitting up nice and tall, using that right hand to press the knee away from you. You can hold these postures really as long as you feel comfortable, anywhere from 5 breaths to 10 breaths. So take it to a minute. So you really want to hold them for at least 5 breaths. Give your body a chance to unwind, to release. So we're going to hinge forward on this side. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, hinging forward. Again, any discomfort in the knee, anywhere, in any of these yoga positions, don't do it. You back off. No pain. We're not about pain in yoga. Gentle stretching is okay, but not pain. One more breath. Hinge forward. Inhale, come up. And release that leg. And just shake it out. Shake out the whole body. Shake, shake, shake. All right. Bring the hands to prayer. Sit up tall. Take another deep breath in through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Good. That's the sequence that I wanted to share with you this morning. I hope you find it useful to relieve some stress in the neck, shoulders, upper body, and hips. Thank you for joining me, and namaste.